How you going, guys? And welcome to the budget pocket bike build. So the first thing you want to do is give it a clean. I got some export degreaser here, so we're going to give it a degrease, hose it off and get back to the build. So that's the degrease done. We're going to let it sit for a while and then give it a hose off. So we're giving the bike a good clean, we degreased it, we hosed it off, dried it down. When you're building a pocket bike on a budget, the tools are real basic. We've got a little shifter, a 10mm, a flat screwdriver, a star screwdriver, and a couple of different sizes of Allen keys there. Oh yeah, and some zip ties. And back to the parts we've got laid out. I'll just go through them quickly. Exhaust pipe, fuel tank, pull starter, fuel line, brake levers, air filter, foot pegs, air filter adapter, spark plug, clutch, clutch bell, chain, exhaust gasket, and hopefully that's all the bolts we're going to need down there. Anyway guys, that's the bike, that's the tools, and that's the parts. I've got the bike up on the stand. What we're going to do now is take off a few things we don't need, like the old foot peg and the old brake levers. Let's get that done and move on to the next step. So we got the bike stripped down to where we want it. There's all the parts we didn't use. So we're back in the van. There's the pocket bike, the one we just finished building up. Turned out pretty good if you ask me. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me how it turned out. Put it down in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video where we see if it even starts. I hope it does, that'll be good. Anyway guys, once again, thank you to all the skullcam subscribers. If you want to see more videos on pocket bikes, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell. Also started up a GoFundMe for skullcam. Check out the link in the description. And to show my appreciation guys, I'm going to take this one out with a couple of shout outs. That's a wrap. First shout out goes to Logan Overload. Go check them out guys. Second shout out goes to Terra Caves. Go check them out guys. Skullcam.